You gotta love it, guys. You gotta love it. Palantir stock is up another almost 6% right now. We're trading at 75, almost $76 per share. And we got some big news yesterday, massive news that we have to cover in this video, which, well, is moving the stock. So, guys, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe and get your free stocks from Mumu. Open up your account using that link down below and deposit at least $100. You get 5 free stocks. Deposit at least $1,000. You get 10 more free stocks. And overall, your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY. So, guys, again, use that link down below or simply go to stocksurfest.com/Mumu. And with that being said, cheers, take a sip of that coffee, and let's get into it. So, Palantir stock right now is moving, guys, up 6%, which you all remember yesterday at this point. Stocks in general crashed. A bunch of individual stocks got destroyed, the indexes, the whole 9 yards, after we got news that the Fed is not going to cut rates as aggressively as previously thought in the new year. All right, we get it, right? And it seems like the market is digesting that slowly. It didn't take long, and now we're rebounding a little bit. And Palantir, with the help of the catalyst that we got, pretty much has gained back all the losses from yesterday, which, if we zoom in a bit here, this stock went from $77 right at 2 p.m. East Coast time all the way down to $70. That was a drop of 9%. And again, now, like I said, we're pushing $76 per share. We're getting back pretty much to where we were at the high from yesterday. Not quite there yet, but we're getting pretty dang close, guys. So I'm happy about that. And if I zoom out on the 20-day chart, we're kind of still in the wedge. Do you guys remember that wedge I talked about? I think maybe in my update yesterday, but definitely a couple of days ago. You guys remember that wedge? It looks like we're still in it. We're making higher lows, lower highs, and technically, guys, not to crap on your parade, but where we're at now, well, I guess our parade, because I'm in the stock too, but where we're at now, we're at a lower high. Are we not? I mean, look at that. So this is technically the make it or break it spot in the short term for the bulls. If we're able to take out the wedge here, break the highs from yesterday, which it might not happen today, maybe it happens tomorrow, I don't know. But if we're able to do that, this could start breaking out again. But we're not fully doing it. We're not fully confirming that breakout yet. My alerts are set, $78, $50, $80, but we're not fully there yet. So I'm going to be watching it like a hawk. You guys know me, right? With these updates, I'm going to be watching it like a hawk, and we're going to do more updates. So make sure to subscribe. Of course, hit that notification bell. And before we break down the charts a little bit further, let me show you guys this news that we just got. So let me pull it up here. By the way, guys, join the email list. It's free. I'm sending out my top 3 stocks every Monday right to your email. That's linked right down below in the description box. You might as well get in there. So Palantir expands Army Vantage partnership with $618.9 million contract. Let me zoom in. You guys see that right there? They're expanding their partnership. We're clapping. Round of applause for Palantir. There we go, baby. So if I come over here and we read through this quickly together, looks like they announced that they're extending their long-lasting partnership with the U.S. Army to deliver the Army Vantage capability in support of the Army Data Platform, ADP, and the total value of this agreement is $400 million for a period of up to 4 years, with a total available ceiling of $618 million. And since 2018, the Army has leveraged Palantir software to transform how it uses data and AI to more effectively perform essential missions and enable faster decision-making across the force. And with an initial focus on understanding personnel readiness and combat readiness, Vantage has become the core software system enabling ADP, and ADP powers warfighters at every echelon and supports a diverse set of use cases across every data domain, including readiness, logistics, recruiting, force management, talent management, financial management, risk management, and installation management. And the new agreement will operationalize data across the entire department of the Army. The program anticipates continued growth and improvement by providing further flexibility to support additional Army programs with data and AI capabilities, fostering deeper integration and interoperability across the department through leading technology investments. So this is big. To date, the Vantage program has supported over 100,000 users, achieving record high usage in 2024. And currently, more than 180 unique data sources are integrated with the Vantage ecosystem, providing seamless connectivity across the Army and the joint community, guys. This is very big news. And again, they've had a long-lasting partnership, Palantir and the Army, I think since 2018 we saw, and they're obviously extending that. That's very good news. So that is causing the stock to do what it's doing. Like we saw, we're moving up around 6% right now. And let me go back over to the chart. And by the way, guys, let me know your thoughts on that in the comments down below. I'm very curious. But again, the wedge, you got to watch this wedge. Watch if we break out of here. If the bulls take out the high from yesterday, that would be ideal. And actually, I have 2 alerts right now, but let me set another one before I forget. Let me do one at $7, or not $7, what the heck am I saying? $7, geez, 75, or not 75, what was it, 77? Yeah, $77.50, there we go. That's where I want it. So, okay, we'll see if we break out of there, guys. And on the 4-hour chart, ultimately, this still looks really bullish. I mean, look, we got a much-needed pullback from 82.70 down to about $70. That was the low as of now, about a 16% drop there. And look, we held above the 180 SMA on this 4-hour chart. Now with today's price action, we're back over the 50 SMA on this time frame, which held as support literally since the beginning of November, so almost 2 months now. So yeah, this looks very good still from a bullish perspective, but you just got to watch out for the break, above 77.50. We got to watch this wedge. That's what it comes down to. So, guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments. As always, I'm super curious kind of where your head's at. Make sure to smash that like button. Don't forget to subscribe. Check out the Patreon if you want to keep up with my portfolio, what I'm doing every week. I'm actually, putting in money in my portfolio, doing updates on Patreon. So that is linked down below. And before you click off, don't forget to get your free stocks from Mumu. Fund your account with at least $100. You get 5 free stocks. Fund it with at least $1,000. You get 10 more free stocks. And overall, your uninvested cash for now will earn up to 8.1% APY, which, guys, it's a no-brainer. I'm telling you. So use that link down below or simply go to stocksurfs.com/Mumu. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys in the next video.